What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to swap USDT to Ethereum in Phantom Wallet. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly do so? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up the Phantom Wallet. And in here, we need to choose the swap option or feature that you see at the very top here. Now let's go ahead and click on it. Now, since we want to swap here, there are going to be two values that we need to fill out. That is the you pay and you receive section. Now, the thing with swapping here is for you pay, this is going to be the value or coin that you want to swap from. So, in this case, we need to set this as USDT. Now, for the you receive section, this is going to be set as Ethereum. Let's go ahead and click on the UPay section first, and we want to set this as USDT. Now, by the way, you need to choose your chain here. So, in my case, maybe I want to use the Polygon chain here. Now, from here, let's go ahead and choose USDT or tethered USD. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, you want to go and go to you receive section and choose Ethereum. Now, again, since I want to use the same chain here, I want to choose Polygon, and let's go and just search for Ethereum. So, let's just type in ETH. And you should be able to see Ethereum in here. So in this case, you want to go ahead and click on it, ETH. And from here, just specify the amount that you want to transfer. So as an example, maybe I want to transfer this specific amount here. And it should load up the values or the amount that we'll be receiving. So this might take a while. And by the way, if you want to switch or you want to basically swap to a different chain, the actual value and the fees are going to be really big, so just be prepared about those fees. But then again, we're just swapping in the same chain here. But in this case, let's go and click on the swap now option. It's going to start swapping our tokens, so this might take a while, so just go ahead and wait for it. You can even view the transaction, how it's going. So again, it's gonna take a few seconds, but once it's done, you can go ahead and just click on close here. As you can see, it's done. Now once we actually go back here and view our homepage and reload it, you should be able to see that Ethereum, we now have it in our wallet. Now, in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.